I did not come this far only to come this far. Good morning. It's a Thursday. Ilumkhuleko. It's the Courage to Continue platform, where it is just a reminder that you are worthy, that you can do it, that you have it in you to continue regardless of what is happening in your life. So it's almost the end of the year, Gregorian calendar, and I know there's this pressure of looking at what you've done, looking at what you've achieved, looking at what you've accumulated. And I saw somewhere a post that said, we don't always have to finish strong. And now what I want to say is, you did not come this far only to come this far. Yes, we are almost wrapping up the year, but you have come this far. And if we can adopt the attitude of Jongobangila, I did not come to get to this point only to get to this point, that there's still more, there's always more. And it is important to really take stock of what you have been through, what has happened over the past 11 or 12 months, and how you have managed, because finishing strong looks different for each and every person. The only problem is that we always want finishing strong or success or accomplishment or goals reached to look the same. If somebody bought a car, if somebody got a promotion, if somebody graduated, if somebody bought a house, if somebody had a child, you want your finishing strong, or you want your achievements to be similar to the next person's one. Some of us, finishing strong looks like I managed to keep my head above the water. I managed to keep myself sane. I managed to work on my wounds. I managed to work on my healing. I managed to keep going. I managed to breathe. I survived ezinye izinto that cannot be seen with the eye. That might look like finishing strong. I managed to live through feeling depressed, to rise above certain challenges. That might be your finishing strong. So if we're not looking at how others are finishing strong, then I think almost all of us do actually finish strong in accordance with what our year has been like, what our year really, really looks like. Hence, I believe it's very important to reflect and to say, Yazbengila, and this is where I am, and pat yourself in the back and celebrate yourself and congratulate yourself for the things that only you know. You were going through, and you are here even today, even with those things zenzeka in your life or around you. Some of you's finishing strong is, I've managed to upila beyond a being diagnosed, beyond being in and out of isibhedlela. There are so many things, and when you reflect, do not succumb to the pressure of what finishing strong looks like to society, to the world, or to the ones around you, to people, to other people. Define your own finishing strong, be truthful to yourself, and really, really be proud of yourself and celebrate yourself. We don't do a much of that. Remember, we are body, mind, and soul. We are spirit. We are spirit beings. So omunye umuntu might finish strong ngezinto materialistically, but uthola ukuthi you are not finishing strong in terms of material. You are not getting those financial breakthroughs. You are not getting those opportunities, because you are dealing with things that are spirit related. Ngoba the truth is, success and other breakthroughs really depend on getting our spiritual life, getting our souls right, getting those things at that level right. So take stock, be truthful, don't be hard on yourself, show yourself grace. You have made it this far, and you are not here only to get here. There is still more to do. And ayikho accountability that will make a difference in your life more than the accountability when you hold yourself accountable and say, okay, this is where we are and this is where we want to go and this is what we have to do to get to where we are going. Self-development really is important. Working on yourself is important. And I think, yeah, that's my reflection as we are wrapping up. Be easy, show yourself grace, finish strong in your own terms, define it for yourself. Have a lovely day.